shibenta na jubab ka bola ai halor ka jinga ta ye ka mang tingka arjar psan ha ka singi bapra ka dorbar mang tingka jo yeng dorbar thau an ka jilla ha ka ar punyo tari rumpang arjar psa menteri rangba ka jilla u bakmi ru iktenat platingka u konrat ke sama ulapan pau ka jing sosi badan ki ba Kynnoh ya ka sarkar jilla halor ka jing slam ban urlong ya ka jing dawak penrungi ya ka Ktien Khasi wat Garo ha ka kernit ka bapra ka riti senchar kari India. Kani ka benta jubab u menteri rangba kadai ha kapor ba ukuran halor ka sen jam ba ka sarkar ka kintiyo ki samla lingba ka yes Meghalaya la ka dai ka liang ka riti dustur ka kami lekai ka pot ka tam ne ka Ktien ka thliej ukonrat dak ba pen pau ba ka sarkar jela ka trei sitam halor ka jingdawa ban penrungi ki artli ki jat Ktien ula ong ba ka jing Kynnoh yo menteri rangba bat ka sarkar ba ki Khang Lynti ban yo Rung ka Ktien Khasi Namar ka jing bom yo lat ka Ktien Garo ha ka thop jong ki lai pu pratli ki jat Ktien yo jing I thu hi ka dei ka kam ka ba om ya hap satya bat ka dei tang ban pen su tho ba klai ki pat ba kumban syukro ba na ka jingdan ka jingkran ha ka kenta kali jingkli ha ka singi ba ar ka dorbar mangtingka jong ka yeng dorbar thauan men ha ka khat khandai tarik rumpang arjar pusau halor ka jingsa teng ban yo jing thu ya ka Ktien Khasi ha ka khrnet ka ba phra jokariti senchar kri India ka noya saj an ba pau khmat ka jilla ka Dr. Fenala L nong lat ka laong bo menteri rangba u khlam kdo ya ka wei ka kot ka badan kam ka ba wan na ka tanat kampo yeng ha ka stan tarik ber arjar khat khandai kalau ong bahak ketika jing tho kalbala sai do PK samalu under secretary kala batai Shah bagi don arpo artli ki jat Ktien gi bala itu ka kernit ka bapra gariti senshar bat ki don lai pu pratli ki jat Ktien gi badang terwa ban penrong yaki kenthop ya ka Ktien Khasi om ya ka Ktien Garo dak bakdo bakat kum ka annexure ka Ktien Khasi ka don ka number khat pra kala Kynnoh badon na pedang ki MP ka jella ki bala lej ban pensange ya ka jing tho dak ba bo jing kali balai badon tang ka Ktien Khasi bat balai kamrung ka Ktien Garo.
As a state government, trying very hard to get the recognition for our languages in the 8th schedule, and therefore this particular effort will only help us to be able to achieve this particular goal. I'm so very saddened to see some news by some individuals in the past few days about certain blame towards the government about the inclusion of certain languages in the 8th schedule and blaming the Honorable Chief Minister and the government that we are blocking the entire process of Khasi language coming in because Garo language is not being included, sir. Sir, this is a really ridiculous kind of blame that the individuals are making towards the government. Sir, in the last many years, no language has got any kind of recognition. The last was done, if I'm not wrong, in 2003-04. And therefore, the question of anybody blocking any language does not occur, sir. And therefore, I don't understand why this kind of unnecessary comments are made. The individuals who look into this aspect, sir, should do their research and find out, then rather than just trying to play to the gallery and trying to create confusion among the public. So we as a government are committed and we will move forward. It is the government of India that will decide which particular language should come in the 6th schedule and not 8th schedule or not. And it is not up to the state government to block any language. Whichever language meets the specifications and requirements will get, sir. So therefore, these kind of allegations are baseless, and I thought I would make this point, sir, during my reply.